Welcome to this step-by-step user guide for administrators of the Jaundice at Home platform. Jaundice at Home is a digital platform created to support healthcare professionals. The platform connects healthcare professionals with users of the Pictrus Jaundice Pro app, giving access to real-time results and making it easy to follow up with newborns who are being screened for jaundice remotely, such as in a home setting. Let's get started. Access the platform at jaundiceathome.com. Log in using the details provided to you from Pictrus when you created your administrator account. If you do not have an account, please contact us at contact@pictrus.com. Once we log in, we will see the admin's dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of all the users in the organization. We can view the contact information and check whether a user is assigned as an admin or a healthcare professional. To edit or delete existing members, click the edit icon on the right-hand side to open the details dialog. Here you can either delete the user or select a new role from the drop-down menu. Click the Save button to confirm the changes. Confirm the updates on the main dashboard, ensuring everything looks correct. On the left-hand side, we can see the organization's scan balance. Most organizations use a subscription model, which is managed directly with Pictrus. If the organization issues scans manually, we can access the Pictrus shop here. New scans can be activated with a code by clicking this button. The Organization Settings menu allows us to customize the platform for all users in the organization. Here we can see all the organization details, such as the name, type, email address, phone number, country, physical address, and bilirubin unit. The unit can be changed between micromole per litre or milligrams per deciliter. Please remember, changing the unit here will affect all users in the organization. Remember to click Save Changes. In the result settings, we can set the time period that we want newborn data to be visible on the dashboard. For example, we can adjust the period if we want to see results from a longer time frame. We can also choose different jaundice guidelines here. So for example, we could switch from the NICE guidelines to the AAP guidelines. Remember to click Save, and also remember that these guidelines will be shared with all users on the platform. Let's take a look at the other features on the admin's dashboard. You can access the instructions manual for a step-by-step written guide for the platform. Next, we have the disclaimer, which reminds us about proper use of the platform. The QR code for your organization is also available from the menu. You can share this QR code with a new user to connect their Pictrus Jaundice Pro account to your organization. For a guide to joining an organization using a QR code, see our tutorial video linked here. Alternatively, you can add members to your organization using the buttons on the top right of the organization members page. There is an Invite Admin button if you want to add other administrators to your organization. This means you will give another user access to the admin pages that we have gone through here, so they can also make changes to the organization settings. You can also invite healthcare professionals to join your organization. This means that the user will not have rights to change the organization settings, but they can access the platform and have an overview of all of the registered newborns. Let's take a look at this option here. I will send an invitation to Test Doctor. Fill out the information and click Next. Review the information, then click Send Invitation if everything looks correct. Test Doctor just received an email. Let's have a look. The Test Doctor has received an invitation email with instructions about how to join the organization. The email is from noreply@pictrus.com, so make sure to check your spam filter if you have trouble finding the email. The email contains instructions for how to access the platform. I'll click on Accept Invitation. The first time that Test Doctor logs in, they are asked if they want to add two-step verification. But for simplicity here, we will skip this step. This takes us into the Jaundice at Home healthcare professionals dashboard. We can see that the Test Doctor does not have access to the other admin features. Here, there is an overview of all the newborns registered in the organization. We can see that for now, there is just one baby registered here. For a walkthrough of the features of the Healthcare Professionals Dashboard and newborn profiles, please take a look at our tutorial video linked here. We hope that you have enjoyed the Jaundice at Home user guide for admins. Thanks for watching.